What if that strange object speeding through our solar system isn't just a rock? What if it's something far more advanced? A nuclear-powered spacecraft sent by an alien civilization to quietly test how humanity would react. The universe, it seems, is no longer silent. When 3I Atlas, an object from beyond our solar system, skimmed past Mars, it didn't just pass by. It left behind a trail of chaos and confusion. NASA scientists noticed something impossible. Its trajectory suddenly bent, its brightness tripled, and its chemical signature completely alien. 3I Atlas began releasing carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide, nickel, and now, astonishingly, massive amounts of water vapor. This wasn't just a comet behaving strangely. It was a cosmic event that shattered every known model of physics, and the energy required for its maneuver? Unaccounted for. Which forces one terrifying question. What's really out there? JPL's longest night. At 2:13 a.m., the quiet hum of NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory was interrupted by a single alert. No slow warnings, no yellow flags. Straight from green to orange, the system equivalent of a fire alarm blaring in the middle of the night. A 3.2% deviation appeared in 3I Atlas's flight path, an error so massive it was nearly impossible. Within minutes, the control room transformed from calm routine to controlled chaos. Monitors filled with jagged error lines, phones buzzed, Slack exploded with pings. By 2:30 a.m., NASA had declared a planetary defense emergency meeting. The European Space Agency, JAXA, and NASA's top engineers all joined the same call. The agenda was simple. What the hell just happened? 8 tense hours followed, the longest anomaly response in JPL's history. Some engineers wanted to shut down Mars orbiters immediately. Others argued that such panic could cause more harm than good. But when the data arrived from observatories in Japan and Spain, just 27 minutes apart, one thing was clear. The data was real. Something had changed the course of 3I Atlas. 3 agencies, 1 mystery. Across the Atlantic, the ESA navigation team began crunching numbers. Their world-class comet models couldn't explain the 1.5 magnitude brightness spike, a tripling in light output in under 4 hours. Even the Hubble Space Telescope confirmed it. 3I Atlas wasn't behaving like any known comet. Spectral readings showed cyanogen gas, but at levels double those seen in interstellar objects like Oumuamua or Borisov. And worse, water vapor and carbon monoxide were missing entirely. One ESA scientist reportedly called it chemically impossible. When the data from all 3 agencies matched, one chilling truth settled in. This object wasn't just unpredictable. It was rewriting the rules of comet behavior. An impossible push calculations revealed that 3I Atlas's trajectory change required a 22,000 mph boost, the kind of thrust you'd expect from a rocket engine, not an icy space rock. Scientists proposed every possible explanation: outgassing, solar flares, even a coronal mass ejection. But the math didn't fit. To move an object this massive, nature would have needed an explosion so powerful it would have fried half the solar system. There was no solar storm, no radiation spike, no natural explanation. So, what was left? The unthinkable possibility. Some scientists, like Harvard's Avi Loeb, started connecting the dots. If someone, or something, wanted to alter a comet's course toward Mars, this is exactly the kind of maneuver you'd expect to see. Their model showed the velocity change wasn't random. It was optimized, as if it was planned. A deliberate, efficient burn, like a probe conserving its fuel. Of course, NASA publicly dismissed the idea of alien technology, but behind closed doors, the split is real. Half of the experts call it an unprecedented natural event. The others quietly admit the numbers don't make sense. Redacted files and silent panic. As debates raged, engineers on the ground had their hands full. Mars orbiters worth billions were put on high alert. 2 of them entered partial safe mode, cutting communication with Earth for almost an hour. Why? Because even a grain-sized fragment, traveling at 15,000 km/h, could destroy a spacecraft. And 3I Atlas's debris trail was unpredictable. By dawn, one truth became clear. The rules of our solar system had just changed. So what do you think? Was 3I Atlas just a natural phenomenon? Or something not of this world? Drop your thoughts below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more cosmic mysteries.